The amount of creativity that I'm really seeing from students, especially my last couple years in the classroom, the creativity that students have when they're given the freedom to design and create and represent their thought process in Canva, being able to make infographics and being able to make presentations, and then they get to walk up to the board, show their learning and share that and take ownership. It just really takes all of that student participation to the next level as well.
Yes, I would agree. We have a client that I got to go visit, and they had third graders using Canva, and they were using it with the board through InstaShare, which is another one of the softwares that comes subscription free with the board. And they were doing like peer review. And it was great because you saw the kids that were creating the infographics, sharing them, and then excited to hear what their peers saw, and they were real-time editing them with the board in Canva. And then the teacher, because she had it tied to her Google Classroom, was able to immediately send it to the person who created the infographic so they could go back into Canva on their own and make the edits, do any little tweaks or whatever, so that the next round of peer review would go a little smoother, a little faster, and it was wonderful. So I do think it really is helping to activate like the imagination of some of these kids and get them like really involved in teaching themselves, as well as helping the teacher make sure that they're recognizing the concepts and really gaining the full amount of what they're supposed to be learning.